To transfer USDT from your OKX wallet to your Binance account, follow these steps. Log into your OKX wallet using your credentials or seed phrase. Go to your Binance account. Navigate to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot or Funding Wallet. Search for USDT in the list and click Deposit. Select the appropriate network, for example TRC20, ERC20 or BEP20, based on the fees you prefer, and ensure OKX supports the same network. Copy the USDT deposit address from Binance. In your OKX wallet, select Withdraw or Send. Choose USDT as the asset to transfer. Paste the Binance USDT deposit address into the recipient field. Select the network, it must match the one you selected on Binance. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Alright, let's review all the details carefully. The address, the network, the amount, and the fees. Once everything looks good, go ahead and authorize the transaction. Don't forget to complete any required verifications like two-factor authentication. And make sure to note the transaction ID or TXID for your reference. Now, depending on the network, it may take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour for the funds to appear in your Binance account. You can keep an eye on the status using the TXID on the respective blockchain explorer. A few important notes to keep in mind. Network fees. TRC20 usually has lower fees compared to ERC20 or BEP20. Always double-check the deposit address to avoid any loss of funds. And, very importantly, never share your seed phrase publicly or online. It can be used to access your wallet and steal your funds.